of class 11th, chapter number 3, motion in a straight line, exercise question number 4. In this question, it is given that there is a drunkard who walks in a narrow lane and takes 5 steps in a forward direction and 3 steps then in a backward direction. And he follow these steps and at last fall in a pit which is 13 meter away. Each step which he takes is 1 meter long and he covers this 1 meter in 1 second. So we have to plot x distance time graph of his motion and we have to find that how much time he will take to fall in a pit which is 13 meter away from his starts. So let's see. Takes 5 steps in forward direction and 3 steps in backward direction and so on. And one step, it is given in the question that one step is 1 meter long. So in 5 steps he will cover 5 meter. And it is also given in the question that he covers 1 meter in 1 second. So how much time he will take to cover 13 meter? This we need to calculate. And we have to plot xt graph, that is distance time graph of a drunkard. Now see, first of all we will form the coordinates of this xt graph, that is the time and the distance travelled in that time. In 5 seconds, or he takes 5 seconds to cover 5 meter because each step is 1 meter long. Now 3 steps backward, that is the time will be added up. 5 plus 3 equal to 8 seconds. In 8 seconds he covers 5 minus 3, that is in the backward direction, equal to 2 meter. Now 8 plus 5 equal to 13 seconds. In 13 seconds he covers 2 plus 5, that is 7 meter. Now 3 steps backward, that is 13 plus 3 is equal to 16 seconds. And the distance travelled in this 16 seconds is 7 minus 3, that is 4 meter. We will calculate till 13 meter distance. 16 plus 5 equal to 21 seconds, and here it is 4 plus 5, that is 9 meter. In 21 seconds he covers 9 meter. Now 21 plus 3, that is 24. In 24 seconds he covers 9 minus 3, that is 6 meter distance. 24 plus 5, that is 29. In 29 seconds he covers 6 plus 5, that is 11 meters. Now here 29 seconds, 29 plus 3, which is equal to 32. In 32 seconds he covers 11 minus 3, that is 8 meter. And 32 plus 5 equal to 37 seconds, he covers 8 plus 5, that is 13 meter. Now at 13 meter he will fall in a pit, therefore he doesn't able to move further. That is here 5 steps in forward direction, then backward, then forward, then backward, then forward, backward, and so on. Now, just note down these coordinates. Then we will draw a graph. Here the coordinates are time, that is on x-axis, if I'll take it on x-axis, and this is at y-axis. So our first coordinate is 5 seconds and 5. Here it is 8 2, 13 7, 16 4, 21 9, 24 6, 29 11, 32 8, and 37 13. Let's plot a graph. This is a rough plot because we are not drawing it on a graph paper, but it will give us the idea of his motion. Now just consider the axis. Here we can consider it as 2, 4, 6, 8 meter distance, 10, 12, and 14. Choose your scale, any scale. Here I am taking 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 36, and 38. Now plot the graph. Here the first one is 5, 5. 5 is on the time axis. Here this is the time axis and this is the distance axis. So 5 will be here and 5. Now next is 8 2, 8 and 2. Another one is, this is 8 and 2. Next is 13 and 7, 13 and 7. 16 and 4, 16 and 4. 21 and 9, 21 and 9. 24 and 6, 29 and 11, 32 and 8, 37 and 13. Join the lines. It's 29, 11, 24 and 6, 21 and 9. 16 and 4. 13 and 7. Now we can see that here the graph will be in this form. This is just a simple rough idea. If you will plot it in a graph paper, you get an exact one.